have in the cupboard at home. Right, just before we get all our activities out, let's have a quick look and recap what Cubism looks like. So, what we're going to do today, we're going to experiment with Cubism portraits using stuff we can find at home. What do we know if we know it? So, success criteria, to use bold, there's that wow word, bold, block colours, to show experimentation of proportion, that other wow word, proportion, and form, and to express an emotion through a Cubist portrait. So this is where you can really go to town now. You can have a sad one, a happy one, an absolutely excitable one, whatever you want to. Okay, so having a quick look at portraits. As you can see, Pavlos is very different to the usual way of doing portraits, which made him exciting artist. You just click through these. Okay, changing faces. He was having a look and he started to change the proportion of the eyes, the proportion of the ears. He started to move the face so it didn't look in the centre of the picture. He started to mess about and experiment, and as you know in art, that's what we like to do. It's not about what it looks like at the end, it's about the experimentation. So what makes a good Cubism portrait? Let's see, what things do we need in our ingredients for art? Bold colours, bold, bright colours for this one. If you would like to do a sad one, you could use the opposite of bold, bright colours. You could use your blues, your blacks, your dark greens, but your bold colours, red, yellow, orange. Block colour. He didn't do simple stripes or simple dots like we have done before. He does blocks of colour. Bold black lines. Now, usually in art, and you all know in my class, I'll be like, don't use the black marker. This is the time you can get the black marker out and have fun. Do some bold black lines. Different proportion. We can have an eye that's this big. We can have an eye that's that big. We can have an eye that's the wrong way round. This is a time to experiment and have fun. Strange placement. Does your nose have to be here? Could your nose be there? Could your nose be there? Could you have your ears here? Who knows? Strong shapes. Strong shapes. Make them thick enough to know what they are. Do they look like an ear? Do they look like an eye? And show emotion. That's the hardest one. This is what we're going to practice today, to show emotion through your drawing and through your sculpture. It's very hard to do that. So just have a go, and remember, we're not focusing on the end product, it's about having a go. So what's our key terms? Looking at our vocab again. Cubism, portrait, bold and bright, form and shape, design, and that wow word, proportion. So, let's have a bit of fun. What can we make? What have we got in the cupboards? Let's go.